This home theater set is having a power problem. The power got burnt. So I want to show us how you can convert the power of this set with another IC. Should in case your own burnt beyond repair, how you can be able to fix it with another IC for it to start working back perfectly. So that is what I want to do now. The power got burnt, as you can see. Look at the IC. So I want us to show us how you can convert it with another power. These are the components I'm going to use to converting the power. This one is the IC that I'm going to use. The IC number is 5LO 5L0 380R. That is the number of the IC. Then the capacitor is 50 volts capacitor 47UF. This one is your paper capacitor 104. That is the number. Then this one is your resistor 47 ohms. Then this one is 220K resistor. Both of them are the same numbers, 220K. And this is your vero board. This is your PC diode. PC diode. The number is 817. That is the number. So the next one is your jumper wire. These are the things I'm going to use in building the power with other IC. So let's start now. This one is the diode you're also going to use. The number of this diode is FR 155, fast recovering diode. You can use any fast recovering diode to do it. So let's start now. Place your IC. Then you solder. As you solder, make sure you don't allow any of the legs to bridge together. Also, you cut it off. Then you jump around. Then you count from here. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it straight. After fixing the wire, you fix your resistor. This resistor is 220K. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the same value, 220K. Tie them together. This is your jumper wire. You see that? Then this is your capacitor. 50 volts for the 7 UF. Here is the negative, here is the positive. This line is the negative, the whole of this line is the negative. Then you place it. Tie them together with this resistor. Then this one is your 47 ohms resistor. 47 ohms. You see place of 47 ohms. You tie it together with this one. After tying, then you now solder. After finish soldering, then you link it up. Then you solder. As you solder, make sure that lining of the legs to join together. There is a gap all through. There is a gap. Make sure that lining of them to join together. Then after this one, you put your capacitor. You put your capacitor. Put your capacitor. 104 capacitor. Then you solder. Please, as you're watching this video, please try to like my video, share, and subscribe so that other people can be able to see it. Then you tie these ones together. You cut it off. Then you bring your PC diode and you place it. You can now remove this one. Cut it off. Then the next one is your diode. Your fast recovering diode. The number is ROF 155. That is the number. The positive of the diode faces the resistor. Then you tie it together. After tying, then you solder. After soldering, as you're watching this video, please try to like this video, subscribe and share so that other people can be able to see it. This is all for now. Thank you. Let's watch out for part 2.